Hi, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones with how to monetize your Instagram account and turn it into a sales machine. This ebook is available to you for free through the first link in the description. By far, one of the most frequently visited and often utilized social media platforms, even more than Facebook, is Instagram, which has become the go-to platform for serious business owners, digital advertisers, and online marketers that are looking to build their business online. And even though Instagram is 100% free to get started with, you can have a brand new Instagram account up and running in less than 5 minutes. The truth of the matter is, the overwhelming majority of business owners, online advertisers, and digital marketers out there aren't using Instagram the right way to build their business or create the kind of financial future they've always dreamed of. If you're going to knock your Instagram marketing right out of the park and really turn it into a powerful channel for marketing, you have to really know exactly what you're doing. On top of that, because you're going up against already stiff and established competition, you also have to take advantage of as many shortcuts and checklists as possible to get you to the top as fast as you can. If you would like to download this free ebook on how to monetize your Instagram account and turn it into a sales machine, click the link in the description below, sign up for a free account, and download the ebook for free. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you find this content informative, please like, subscribe, share with friends and family, and post to your social media accounts. Treasures from Jones posts videos 2 to 3 days per week, so please also hit that notification button so you'll know when future videos are posted. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.